So that right there was when he let the release the parking brake. But even when it's turned off, like, it doesn't leak down at a
Fast.
well, no, it doesn't leak down like at a constant rate. I can hear like or
Yeah.
fluid being put in there, and then I see like a corresponding dip in that, and then it stops. Then I'll hear the fluid being dumped back in here, and then that goes down and stops.
But it always holds at your brake line. It always holds at your low set, right?
Here?
Yeah, the green. It comes right down at the green, because that's where it's supposed to stay at. Right?
That's where it's supposed to stay at, but it leaks there.
I gotcha.
It's coming down. It's not. It'll stay on the high side if I haven't flown for a while, but after a few flights,
It'll start leaking.
after some cycles.
It's just been forever since I've done the class on this thing that I really know though.
I know. Well, it seems like